guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, welcome. My name is Sophia and today I'll be giving you a first impression kind of look, kind of tutorial on the Morphe 3503 palette. It's called Fierce by Nature. I went on and I used a lot of the colors that popped up on the palette, like this shimmer right here, the greens, like this like a really bright pink right here. I used those colors to create this look. It's kind of like something that I wouldn't do regularly. It's more of a dramatic look, which I was aiming for because I don't do this look often. I kind of missed like the whole creativity part of it. But I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get going. Alright, just to save some time, I actually did my eyebrows off camera. And I'm actually very proud because they look so nice. I haven't gone to go get my eyebrows like done like at a place. I've been plucking them myself. And like I feel like why waste like $6, $7, $8 when you can just do it yourself? I mean, they look fine. Usually I always have them filled in, so it doesn't really matter. But I mean, I'm all about saving money, so. Plus, like when I would go get them like done, when I would go get what is it called? Threaded. I would start to get really like irritated bumps right along the edges of like under my eyebrows. It started off on this side really bad, and then it started to become a thing on this side as well. So yeah, I stopped going and I no longer have any bumps. You can see that. I am breaking out again really bad, but you know, it's whatever. Alright, to start off, I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Trance. And I'm going to use this as my base. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Red Alert. I'm going to try to use the colors that like pop out the most, like in like when I look at the palette. I have, oh, this is really pigmented. I have a couple of looks in mind because you can do a lot with this palette. But right now I kind of want to do something that I usually don't do. So we'll see how it goes. Because right now I want to do something like different, you know? Something I usually don't do on a daily basis because I haven't done like a crazy eye look in a while. I'm kind of like missing the like experimenting part of it. Now I'm going to go in with this color right over here called Domination. And I'm going to be placing this color right on the crease of my eyelid. Just because I want to start darkening the look a little more. I feel like it looks very bright. It looks very bright on camera and it is very bright in person. So with this color, I'm just going to be darkening it a little bit. And I'm going to be bringing that color Domination above my crease as well. Just because, like I said, I want to start darkening this look. To darken my crease one more time, I'm going to go in with this color right here. And it's called Jolt. It's probably one of the darkest browns that the palette has. aside obviously from the black that it has. So I'm gonna be placing this like right like in my crease, but more like under it, because I do have that other brown right here. As you can tell, like, I don't know, this lighting is just always so weird and it won't show all the colors how they are, but I'm gonna focus that color right here at the edge of my eyelid and like bring it out a little bit. I'm gonna take the brush that I did the pink with and I'm gonna blend out. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my concealer, the Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, and my flat brush, and I'm just gonna be applying and cutting my crease in the inner corner. Like that. And I'm gonna do it on this side as well. Okay, now that the crease is cut, I'm going to go in with this like shimmery green in the palette. I just want to get the color for it. This green, oh, this green right here, it's called Power Play. I'm gonna take usually I use the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH42. It looks like this to apply shimmers. I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. Like that. Oh. Next, I'm just gonna clean that same brush and go into the color right next to it. Right over here, called Frenzy. Right, am I pointing at the right one? No, this one. Called Frenzy. If I'm saying that right. And I'm just gonna go in lightly with that right next to and on top of that green. Just so that I could start mixing a little bit. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with the color that caught my eye from the beginning. It's this shade right here called Make Believe. Using that same brush, I'll just clean it up a little bit. And I'm going to place it. It's definitely very glittery. It almost feels like it's like straight up like just glitter because of how it looks and how it's like applying on my eyes. It kind of, this color kind of overpowered the rest. This is probably gonna be I think this is probably gonna be my favorite shade in the palette. Now I'm gonna go into that green and just intensify it a little more. You can't even tell I have green in the camera. But I'm gonna take that color right, oh, that color right next to the green. What is it called? Frenzy, right here. And I'm gonna use that to kind of blend the shimmer and the green together. Like that. This is more blended than this one, so. I think I'm just gonna take my finger. I'm like obsessed with that glitter color. What is it called? Make Believe. Literally on the finger, it looks so pretty. So I'm just gonna. Sometimes when you apply it with your actual finger instead of a brush, it applies even better. Look at that. It's so pretty. I actually really like this look. Alright, so now off camera, I'm going to clean up my under eyes and set my under eyes, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the final look. I'm gonna zoom out. This lighting, I don't know, for whatever reason, it makes me look so pale, and I really have to start playing with the camera features on my camera because this is a no for me. But anyway, I'll probably be posting a picture of the look on my social media. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. I'll be posting my usernames down below. So don't forget to do that. This is it for today's video. Today's video was kind of just like a first impression on this palette right here that everyone is talking about. Today's look was like a really like dramatic kind of look. I wouldn't do this on a daily basis, but it's something cute, something different for the fall. And of course, we love trying a new palette out, so I definitely give this a thumbs up. I think all the colors are really pigmented. They're really easy to blend, at least the colors that I used. I am probably going to keep playing around with it because there are a lot of different variations and different looks you can do with this. But as of right now, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscription button, and I'll see you guys next time.